friends, and welcome back. Today we are going to be grilling with our new Play-Doh grill. We're going to make hamburgers with all the fixins. Let's get started. First, get our cutting board. We're going to make the hamburger patty. Form that. And remove the excess. There's our hamburger patty. Next, we're going to make our buns. Now there's a top bun and a bottom bun, so we'll need to make two. We'll use our grill. Form that. Here's one bun. Perfect. Now the next bun. Look at those sesame seeds. Remove the excess. And smooth the edges. We have our second bun. Put it on the plate too. Now we're going to make our lettuce. We'll use a bit of green. Put it right on top. Take away any extra. There's our lettuce. Next, we're going to make a pickle right back here. So we're going to use more green. Get rid of that extra again. There's a pickle. Time to make some cheese. Push it in there really nicely. Pull it out. Look at that cheese. Lastly, we're going to make some shrimp. So we're going to need to mix pink and white. Mix that until you get a good shrimpy color. And then go ahead and put it in the mold. Remove the excess. There's one shrimp. Here's another. Put him on the plate too. And now, we can't forget to grill our burger. We have our spatula. And we're going to take our burger here and we're going to grill it. Put it right in there. Hear that sizzle? Use our spatula to get it off of there. Look at those grill marks. Let's put our burger together. We've got our bottom bun, the top bun, right here, right on that burger. Doesn't that look good? But we want cheese on there, don't we? So let's get our cheese. Put that on the burger there. Now we have lettuce and pickle here as well. Doesn't that look good? Delicious. Makes me hungry. Okay friends, remember to always clean up your play area after you're done. Please like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe so you won't miss out on new fun things to try. See you next time. Bye!